Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Trio Techies. My name is Anuj Rana and today in this video I'm going to tell you that how can you send long videos on WhatsApp. Generally people face this kind of problem. Whenever there is a long video and they try to send it on WhatsApp, the quality drops or else the WhatsApp it cut down the length of the video, the 100% complete video is not being sent. So how can you do that easily with the 100% video with the proper quality? That I'm going to tell you in this video. So let's go ahead and find it out. So if you'd like to send any video from your gallery or from any of your downloads, what you need to do is first of all, you need to come into your files manager. Now over here on this files manager, this is the interface that you will get over here. Now from here, you need to select the videos option. Over here you can see all the videos, whatever the videos you have made in any format, you can get it over here. Now these videos are like you can see over here, this is 16.13 MB, 12.42 MB, and these are all long videos. So let's see how these videos can be sent. So first of all, I'll select the video. Once it is selected, over here on the top blue bar you can see there is a one triangle sort of icon over here. You need to tap on this. It will give you the option that how you want to share this video, by which social media platform you would like to share. So let's select the WhatsApp. It will open my WhatsApp interface. Over here let me select the person to whom I want to send the video. All right, let me find out my friend. Yep, I have selected this and just need to press this green arrow and press this arrow again. Now it's downloading, it's sending the video. As you can see over here, the length is full. It's all right friends, so as we have seen, this is the complete video, 3 minutes 39 seconds, and this 100% video is going to send to the other person over there. So that is how you can also do it. It will send you the entire video without any kind of without cutting short the video or without dropping down the quality. The 100% with the best quality, the other person will receive this video. Now it's downloading. All right, the video has been sent. So guys, you can also follow these same steps. That is how you can send the long videos on WhatsApp. All right,
So that is all for today's videos, guys. If this video was helpful for you, just let us know in the comment box. However, if you need any other assistance for any other social media platform related, if you're facing any kind of technical issues, let us know in the comment box. I'll go and I'll try to make videos on that so that you get the better resolutions. All right. So guys, stay in touch with us. Have a nice day. Goodbye.